Hey everybody, this is Stephanie. I want to show you this this thing called Tint Kit, and this is in the shade medium brown. And thank you to the company that sent this to me for my opinion as a sample. So I'm not going to sample this in my hair today because I don't really need the cover up there now, because I really got it done, and I got it done just before they sent me this product. So I can't put it in there right now, but I will be using it just to cover up my gray. It's supposed to be used for your your gray in your hair, to cover it up like I'm saying, or you can put it on your eyebrows or any facial hair you may have that's gray, and you want to kind of cover it up. So I figured that medium brown was my color, so that's why I chose this one. And I just want to tell you what came in the package. This came in the package, which is the color basically in caplets. So you see, in caplets like that. You take one of them, you put that one into this little thing that came in it, right? You just open up the cap and put it in. It also came with this, and this is like the thing that puts it all together, basically. So you put this together and you mix it up. That's how it activates. That's what I'm thinking. That's the word I'm looking for. You put it to that, and it'll activate it. And when you're putting this on, you put in this much of it to activate it, to get it activated. Then it came with a brush, and it also came with a hairbrush like that. So when I do use it, I will probably use it like right here, probably just like that, or all around my edges that really need it. So when I'm ready to use it, that's what I'm going to do to see if it works. Once you do that, you leave it on for 1 or 2 minutes, then you take it off. Then you get a washcloth or something, and you wipe it off with the washcloth to get most of it off, just to make it right. So when I do this myself, it's going to be right before I actually wash my hair. So it'll stay in my hair. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to put any water in my hair at this point. So that's why it's not going to get done until I'm ready to have my hair done. But thank you again for sending this product to me. And I intend to use it because I do use color in my hair. So thanks again. This is for facial hair, gray hair, fix your eyebrows kind of thing, which I never really do. But that's to put to do it like that. So thank you again. I appreciate it.